Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Leadify, which is basically a performance marketing platform. Okay, here they go more in depth about how they are basically helping you with lead generation and automating the your email and text messages campaign. Okay, and it's basically geared towards optimizing all of this for you guys. So straight away we can see the headlights quite clear, and this section here explains beautifully as well what they do, and this is good. Also, they got some very powerful stats like 150 million text messages sent per year and 175 million emails as well, which is really strong in terms of um, performance. If we scroll down, they've got more articles about you know lead generation and the actual ways that they are able to help customers, which is great. And then here is good because they've got some stronger testimonials where people are talking about how Leadify has really been able to help them. They've also got the name of the person and the actual company that they work for, which is great. Now, the good thing that we've got here is also a really nice YouTube video that you can watch if you got
Leadify.
more, if you want more information about how it works. And this is the end of the homepage. Right. So first of all, we can see that they could have possibly added a frequently asked question at the bottom of the page. Obviously, I can see that they've got one here, but actually adding the questions and answers on the homepage is more powerful in order to remove any concerns that a prospect might have, because not everyone is guaranteed to actually um, click on here if they haven't understood how your software, how your website works really quickly. Also, if we happen to go at the top, we can see they don't really have any type of contact form, and adding any type of opt-in field at the top might help them with the um, or conversions. A good way to do that is to add a lead magnet at the top of the page, whether that is any kind of incentive like a freebie, a discount, or as we said, a lead magnet, and that's something that would encourage prospects um, to actually provide their contact details. Okay, but just to finish off, also wanted to talk to see if they had the pricing page anywhere, but I assume you're actually gonna have to you know, click on get a quote to actually see if you want to, well, if they want to give it to you. Um, I think it's good because it doesn't have a contact form that's too long, right? But straight away they also ask for a telephone that it's not required. If it's not required, then it's more helpful if they just got rid of it, especially with the message as well. If it's not required, adding an extra form field might actually hurt your conversions. Um, and then there's the sign up bar, which is quite good because you only asked for one thing. Okay, so this is good. But yeah, other than that, this is the website. There's a few things that they might do to be able to increase their conversions. But other than that, this is the end of the website of the teardown. I hope you guys like this, and if you happen to be a SaaS founder, would like to increase their conversions from free trials to um, paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call. Other than that, I hope I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.